Greetings from the Digital IMA. Myself is Dr. Raj Pukadia. I am a senior gynecologist with a practicing for more than 35 years. I am working as a senior consultant at various corporate hospitals in Delhi. I like to speak some advice to the general practitioners on polycystic ovarian disease. Now, this is a disease which is related to the lifestyle changes, and it affects all the age group right from the adolescent to the reproductive age group of all the women. Now, for the diagnosis, they should go for doing the ultrasound, which should be done preferably on the day 6 to 8 of the menstrual cycle, and then a very limited number of the tests, which will include FSH, LH, E2, serum prolactin and thyroid, which should be done on day 2 or 3rd of the cycle. That also includes blood sugar fasting and fasting serum insulin and lipid profile. After the diagnosis of the polycystic ovarian disease, now the treatment will depend upon with what presentation the patient has come to them. It needs a multidisciplinary approach, including the endocrinologist, dermatologist and gynecologist. Now, most important role of the GPs are they should advise the patient to reduce the weight, because this is a disease which is related to their lifestyle changes. Nowadays, no one is doing most of them are doing this fast food and they are putting on weight. Now 50% of the treatment will be on the weight reduction and de-stressing themselves. So much of the stress should be upon doing the yoga and meditation, which will take care of their weight reduction, and once the weight is reduced, their hormonal level will be balanced better and the response to the treatment will be better. Now if the patient has a menstrual irregularity, they should be also seen by the gynecologist. Infertility patient, they should be referred to them. Now if they are related to their hair growth or the acne, then they should be referred to the cosmetic or the dermatologist. Regarding the metabolic syndrome which is associated with this, they should go for the endocrinologist.